Chapter 2. And the Lord spake unto Moses and unto Aaron, saying, Every man of the children of Israel shall pitch by his own standard with the ensign of their father's house. Far off about the tabernacle of the congregation shall they pitch. And on the east side toward the rising of the sun shall they of the standard of the camp of Judah pitch throughout their armies, and Nahshon, the son of Amminadab, shall be the captain of the children of Judah. And his host and those that were numbered of them were 14,600. And those that do pitch next unto him shall be the tribe of Issachar. And Nethaneel, the son of Zuar, shall be captain of the children of Issachar. And his host and those that were numbered thereof were 54,400. Then the tribe of Zebulun, and Eliab, the son of Helon, shall be captain of the children of Zebulun. And his host and those that were numbered thereof were 57,400. All that were numbered in the camp of Judah were 100,000 and fourscore thousand and 6,400 throughout their armies. These shall first set forth. On the south side shall be the standard of the camp of Reuben, according to their armies. And the captain of the children of Reuben shall be Elizur, the son of Shedeur. And his host and those that were numbered thereof were 46,500. And those which pitch by him shall be the tribe of Simeon. And the captain of the children of Simeon shall be Shelumiel, the son of Zurishaddai. And his host and those that were numbered of them were 59,300. Then the tribe of Gad, and the captain of the sons of Gad shall be Eliasaph, the son of Ruel. And his host and those that were numbered of them were 45,650. All that were numbered of in the camp of Reuben were 100,050, and 1,450 throughout their armies, and they shall set forth in the second rank. Then the tabernacle of the congregation shall set forward with the camp of the Levites in the midst of the camp. As they encamp, so shall they set forward, every man in his place by their standards. On the west side shall be the standard of the camp of Ephraim, according to their armies, and the captain of the sons of Ephraim shall be Elishama, the son of Ammihud. And his host and those that were numbered of them were 40,500. And by him shall be the tribe of Manasseh. And the captain of the children of Manasseh shall be Gamaliel, the son of Pedahazur. And his host and those that were numbered of them were 32,200. Then the tribe of Benjamin, and the captain of the sons of Benjamin shall be Abidan, the son of Gideoni. And his host and those that were numbered of them were 35,400. All that were numbered of the camp of Ephraim were 100,000 and 8,000 and 100 throughout their armies, and they shall go forward in the third rank. The standard of the camp of Dan shall be on the north side by their armies, and the captain of the children of Dan shall be Ahiezer, the son of Ammishaddai. And his host and those that were numbered of them were 62,700. And those that encamp by him shall be the tribe of Asher. And the captain of the children of Asher shall be Pagiel, the son of Ochran. And his host and those that were numbered of them were 41,500. Then the tribe of Naphtali, and the captain of the children of Naphtali shall be Ahira, the son of Enan. And his host and those that were numbered of them were 53,400. All they that were numbered in the camp of Dan were 100,050 and 7,600. They shall go hindmost with their standards. These are those that were numbered of the children of Israel by the house of their fathers. All those that were numbered of the camps throughout their hosts were 600,000 and 3,550. But the Levites were not numbered among the children of Israel, as the Lord commanded Moses. And the children of Israel did according to all that the Lord commanded Moses. So they pitched by their standards, and so they set forward, every one after their families, according to the house of their fathers. Virtually no doctrine here, but a very important process to learn from. And the process is basically this: the Lord's house and the way the Lord does things, respect things that have taken place in the past, blessings that have been given, and his house and everything he does is a house of order. So what we have in the very core of this group of people that are moving are the Levites, who are responsible for taking down and putting up the tabernacle and carrying all of it. Nobody else in any of the other tribes was to help or to do any of it. This was totally the work of the Levites. We find later on, in one of the chapters of Numbers, that there were about 22,000 Levites. So they had a lot of people to carry and move this stuff. But there were 12 tribes, and on the east side, leading was Judah, with Issachar and, I can't remember, Zebulun, I think, out there in front leading. And then there were 3 tribes. There were 3 tribes on each of the sides, right behind the tabernacle in a place of honor. So Judah had the place of honor out in front. Right behind, which was the tabernacle, which was the next place of honor, was Ephraim. And as they moved, they were literally highly organized in groups of 10s, 50s, 100s. Remember that Jethro came, and as Moses was judging the people and everybody was waiting around for Moses to get around to judging them, Jethro told him, the thing which thou doest is not good. You need to organize these people in groups of 10, 50, hundreds, thousands, whatever. And that's how they moved by tribes. So they would have a standard. So the tribe of Judah moved out front. Everybody that was part of Judah moved with Judah. Everybody that was part of Reuben moved with Reuben. And this was part of numbering them, so everybody would know what group they belonged to, where they would go. The only people who didn't move exactly in the group were those people who had leprosy or were suspected of having leprosy. And they had to move outside of the camp of Israel. They couldn't travel in with everybody because they might spread the leprosy. But they could move outside the camp along with it. Now, anytime you have a group of 500,000 to 2 million people, if you can make 8 to 10 miles a day, you are doing magnificently well. I mean, these people were walking. There were no cars, there were no trucks. These people were walking. And they were carrying stuff, and they had sheep and goats and cattle and whatever else they had. And so it was a major thing to get up in the morning, take down the tent, pack everything up, and get ready to go. And this whole book of Numbers deals with their traveling in the wilderness and a lot of absolutely incredible small things. Now, one word that came up in the first chapter was the word prince. And you need to understand that the word prince isn't, in this particular case, dealing with the people of Israel, is just a generic term. It doesn't mean princes like sons of a king. What it means is leaders of the people, leaders of the tribe. They were called princes. That was just a title. Rather than saying leader or great high mucky muck or grand poobah or something else, they were called princes. But it wasn't royalty, although some of these people probably would like to have thought it was, but that's really what it was. It was just they were the leader of that particular family. And the genealogy was important to them. Whose son and grandson and great-grandson you were, in tracing your family history back all the way to Jacob, children of Israel, was critical to them. And go back to Abraham, whose son were you? Great. All of these things were very, very important to them. As we go through this, you're going to see nuggets from time to time, and there's massive lessons we can learn here, but it's not so doctrinally heavy. So the commentary might not be that long.